Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy multiple Apex Trader funding accounts in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on Apex Trader funding. Now over here, you need to first of all click on the option of login and then login into your account. This way it will be very easy for you to basically purchase these accounts. Now when you are inside, you are going to see all of the accounts that you can basically purchase over here. You can also scroll down here on the home page and click on the option of products section, and here you are going to see the type of accounts that are available. So here you need to select the type, whether you want the intraday trail or EOD trail. Then you need to select whether you want the standard account or no activation fee account. Afterwards, you need to select the size of your account that you want to purchase. So after selecting this, in the right hand section, it is going to show you how much it is going to cost to based on the selection that you have made. So we have the 1 pack option and the 5 pack option. So you can simply just click on the option of the 5 pack, and then among the given options you can select Rebate, or you can go with wealth charts. So after selecting it, you just have to simply click on it. Then you will be landed on the next page, where you just have to do nothing but to just simply first of all select your country. Afterwards, you need to fill out this particular form. So you don't need to fill out this form if you have already logged in, but since I've not logged in yet, that's why it is basically asking me to create the account. So you need to fill out all these details and then click on the option of next. On the next page, you just have to simply make the payment when you log in into your account, and when the payment is completed, you will get access to all of your 5 accounts inside your dashboard. Now Apex currently allows you up to 20 active performance accounts across the same household, including the personal, the business, Tradeaway, Rhythmic, and wealth chart accounts. And there is no limit on the evaluation accounts, but Apex prohibits creating multiple user profiles to get around the restrictions. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.